If you're anything like me, you're probably paying for Claude, maybe ChatGPT, Gemini, a slide creation tool, image generator, and you're constantly switching between all of them. It's not just expensive, but it's ruining your productivity too. So there's this AI tool that just had $1 billion valuation. It has this almost cult-like group of users who swear by it. And it's the first tool that genuinely helped me get more done in less time by bringing everything into one seamless workspace. The tool's called Genspark, and let me walk you through the 6 features that really make it different. And by the end of this video, you're gonna see how this can streamline your entire AI workflow and help you focus on what actually matters in your business. Okay, here we are inside of Genspark, and the first feature I wanna share with you is workflows. So if you click over here on workflows, you're gonna see what you have access to in terms of templates and also building your own workflows. So when building a custom workflow, you can set scheduled triggers, you can chain together steps like search email, send Slack messages, pull MailChimp lists, summarize documents. There's even an Ask Genspark step that allows you to pull an AI agent right in the middle of your automation to handle the thinking for you. You just simply describe the workflow that you want to create and it will build it for you. This means you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time on strategic work that actually moves your business forward. And here's an example of a really simple yet powerful workflow that I created in here. It's the daily unread email digest. So if I click into it, this is what it looks like. So the trigger, it wakes up every morning at 9 a.m. every single day. And for the first action, I'm using the Genspark AI and I'm just asking it to sort through my emails essentially. And then in the next step, I want to classify and prioritize each of the emails. And then at the end of the workflow, I have it sending me a Slack message with the final report of the output that is created from this simple workflow. And I created this in like 5 minutes. And before I share the second feature, special thanks to Genspark for sponsoring this video, especially because I've been using Genspark now for, again, over a year now, and I absolutely love it. And for the second feature of Genspark, again, you have everything in one place. So the problem for most businesses is we're running on 8 different tabs open right now, or 16 or way more tabs open, like Google Drive, Canva, ChatGPT, Claude, Sheets, Slack, a meeting notes tool. Your context is scattered everywhere, as is your attention, which is gonna slow you down. Well, within Genspark, you have access to over 15 specialized agents, again, in one unified workspace. So you don't have to be clicking out into 15 different tabs. You've got it all right here within Genspark. Now I'm gonna be going deeper into a few of these here, but you've got AI chat, you've got AI slides, you've got AI docs, AI sheets. You can create images in here. You've got AI meeting notes. But the real difference is the knowledge system underneath. You can upload docs, you can search the web, query its knowledge base, use Canvas, you can run code all inside the same conversation. It actually chains tasks together within the different tools here within Genspark. So again, you can get more done without the constant context switching. And speaking of AI chat and AI image, Genspark's actually offering unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026. So as you can see here within the AI image generation, you have access to Nano Banana Pro and all of these different AI image generation models, all with unlimited access. And you can also now create your own AI employee with Genspark's new Genspark Claw. You'll see it right here as the first option in the Genspark dashboard. You get your own private dedicated Genspark cloud computer where your AI employee lives and works. And you can connect Genspark Claw to the apps that you use in your business like WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack. I'm gonna show you Slack here in just a second. Just message what you need done, like research a topic or manage email, make calls, deploy code. Anything that having an actual employee can do, Genspark Claw is gonna handle every step for you. So here I'm in my Slack and now I'm going to message my Genspark Claw and have it set up a meeting on my calendar for tomorrow for, let's just say, an hour with Yusuf on my team. Can you schedule a meeting tomorrow at 12 o'clock for 1 hour with Yusuf? So that took like 15 seconds and it's scheduled it. Let's go check out my calendar and make sure that it's on there correctly. All right, here's my calendar for tomorrow, Wednesday, March 18th. And here it is. Click in it and it's added Yusuf to the calendar. And again, it took like 15 seconds. All I had to do was message my Claw via Slack and done. There's honestly so much possible with Genspark Claw that it actually deserves a whole other video by itself. Now, one thing to note is that the private dedicated Genspark cloud computer is an additional subscription to what you're paying for Genspark. So just be aware. Now, the fourth feature I want to show you is probably the first feature that really brought me to Genspark in the first place from day one. It's their AI chat feature. Because as I mentioned at the top of the video, right now you're probably paying for ChatGPT, Claude, maybe Gemini separately. That's what, $60 a month minimum? And you're still tab switching between these tools to compare answers, wasting time and probably hitting rate limits that slow you down. Well, Genspark's AI chat gives you access to all the major models in one interface. You can use them individually, or you can turn on what they call mixture of agents, which is going to query multiple models at the same time, and then we'll aggregate all of the individual model answers and then give you one aggregated answer at the end. So let's try it out. I'm gonna put this prompt right in here. I'm gonna leave on mixture of agents. So again, if I don't, I can select an individual model if I want to. So if I only want to use Claude Sonnet 4.6, for example, I can turn that on, but I want to do a mixture of agents. So it asks all of these agents here. And again, I put this prompt in here. I'm going to click go. And right off the bat, you see that it's now prompted GPT 5.1 Instant, Claude Sonnet 4.5, and Gemini 3 Pro preview all at the same time. And if I want to look at anything specific from one model, what it's doing here, I can just click the little drop arrow here. Okay, so it just finished up each of the individual models. Now it's doing what it calls its reflection, where it's aggregating the answers. And here it is. It's giving me an aggregated answer. Hey, Rick, you've asked for the mother of all regulatory breakdowns, blah, blah, blah. Goes through and it's giving me a report essentially. And this is exactly what I asked it for in the prompt. And notice what it's doing here. Because I had my personal context turned on, it's saying content creation compliance. So your specific decision points right now, and it's pulling in what it knows about me and my business and how I'm using AI. And so it's incorporating that into the answer here, which is super helpful. Now, the fifth feature is their super agent, and it's the default when you log into Genspark. This is it right here. This is where you can connect all different types of tools. You can click on add here. They also have all these connections that are already out of the box, if you will, so you can connect them. Then also you can come down here and connect to your data sources, MCP tools, again, that they already have pre-connected that you can just install. And then they also have community MCP tools. They have a whole library here that you can choose from. So the super agent's great when you have a task that you don't even know which AI tool to maybe use for it. Like, should I use ChatGPT? Should I use a coding tool? Should I use a research agent? Well, that's where the super agent can act as your AI project manager, for example. You tell it what you need and it intelligently routes the work across the right tools for you. I have consistently compared the results in the super agent to other agent tools like Manus, for example, in the past. And 99% of the time, I get way better results here with Genspark Super Agent. So let's give it a task to do here, where I've made up a business opportunity. I'm saying I'm launching a new membership community for people who want to get better with money, blah, blah, blah. I'm telling it to do research and then again, compile everything into a clean, structured report I can reference and share with my team. So it gives you an update on the tools that it's using. It's doing a parallel search, 3 different tools here, telling you exactly what it's doing. And you can click in to see what it's doing with each one of these tools and click on view. Here it is. Okay, just wrapped up my request. So the first thing I want to show you is that it pulls in all of the YouTube videos that it used in its research. And I can click on each individual YouTube video if I wanted to go watch it if I want to. So then as I scroll down below the videos, here's the membership community launch research package report that it put together for me. So gave me the competitive landscape, gave me a nice chart here. It gives you the positioning opportunity because of the gaps in these other communities, which I think is really, really great. The 5 most searched questions every day people ask about money as of right now. Also, it said what you're not asking, but actually should. And so it's posing some boundary pushing questions to sharpen the offer even more. So again, I'm super impressed with the result. And then at the bottom here, it gives you some additional options to take it one step further. So for example, I can create a 12-week content calendar for launching the membership, including pre-launch, launch week, first 60 days of membership engagement topics. I can just click on this and it will go and do that. So that is Genspark's super agent. You can see how powerful it is. Another feature I want to show you is the AI slides feature, because every time you need a deck, you're either spending hours in PowerPoint or paying for a separate AI slide tool that gives you generic templates. You have to heavily customize them anyway. And so you just give it a prompt for what you want to create. I'm going to show you this in just a second. You can add your own context here by clicking the plus button. You can choose from all these pre-done templates, or you can create your own template here, upload it if you want to. So let's have it create a 10-slide presentation for me. I've asked it to use my brand colors. I'm going to click on professional and click go. So again, it walks you through the steps that it's going to take to put this slide deck together. So it's doing deep thinking. It will then go and do research for you based on whatever you've asked it to create for you. Okay, and here's my 10-slide deck that it put together. So you can go through here and see all the slides that it put together. And then if there's something off, for example, you can just come over here to the chat, request any kind of edits, and it will make the edit to that specific slide. I can then come up here to the view and export options. So I can do presentation view, I can export as a PDF, PowerPoint, or Google slide. Save it as a template, or I can do voice your slides. So as you can see here, it'll create an AI narrated video with podcast style commentary of your slides. So as you can see here, really cool feature, all integrated here, really quick to do research for your slides, build the slides out, and also edit the slides all within Genspark. And then finally, they also added some really cool other features like Genspark Teams, which is Genspark's version of Slack. So as you can see here, you can have chats with your entire team right inside of Genspark, AI integration built in. You can also, as you can see here, communicate with your Claw, so you can delegate tasks to your Claw right within Teams. They've also added Genspark meeting bots, so you can get to them under AI meeting notes here. Click on configure, and then you can see where it says meeting bot, auto join and record all meetings. So it'll go to a meeting and take notes for you and summarize everything for you, even if you can't make it. They also have a new tool called Speakly, which is their voice to text app with AI editing, which is completely free. And then finally, they have a brand new Genspark Chrome extension, which I like a lot. So I can click in here. I'm using the Dia browser, but it's because it's Chromium based, it works just fine. And I now have access to Genspark Lite and Genspark 3.0 Pro right here within my browser. Look, there's no one tool that handles every single task. That just simply doesn't exist. But Genspark comes closer than anything I've seen to bring everything into one unified workspace. I'm using it every day in my business and have been, as I mentioned before, for over a year. And it's genuinely helped me get more done in less time so I can focus on what actually grows my business. I'll leave a link in the description below that'll give you free credits when you sign up to Genspark. And remember, you get unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026, like I mentioned earlier. As always, thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.